Painting furniture can be very time consuming, but the end results in a beautiful finish and it's well worth the time and the effort. The classic Bombay chest is known for its curved lines and concave base. This is such a beautiful piece. I hated to part with it when all I needed to do was paint it. With the exception of a few scratches, this piece was still in fabulous shape. You guys already know chalk paint, as always, has been my go-to for painting any piece of furniture. It's easy to use, it doesn't smell, it dries fast, and there's no prepping or sanding. And this is how it looked after the first coat. I didn't use a second coat of the cream color because I'm adding two more colors, this periwinkle and the white color, and a little water to thin out the paint. Here I'm just dabbing my cloth into the blue and the white paint mixed with a little water, and I just started rubbing the blue and mixing in some of the cream with it as well. I'm using some leftover Minwax wood stain that I had in my garage to not only tone down the color, but it will also seal and protect the top of the piece. Using a lint-free cloth, I dabbed a little of the stain and rubbed it along the raised surfaces of the chest, then wiped off some of the excess. This is just my way of doing it. You don't have to do it that way. And I wanted to do it that way to get some of that bluish weathered tint that I wanted. This chest turned out exactly how I wanted, and that's the beauty of painting items yourself. You can customize it to fit your decor and save yourself, in most cases, a lot of money. The paint finish has little hints of blues and whites and browns, and I left the hardware as is for now because I'm waiting on new ones to arrive. I'm going to share the entire space very soon, you guys, but you already know what the theme is going to be. All the details where everything came from will be in the next video, so stay tuned and inspired, and I want to thank you all for watching.